Hello guys, now let's see how some arithmetic operations works in JavaScript. Okay, let's say we just have console end of log, and the first one is actually our arithmetic operator. Okay, that's addition. Okay, in the arithmetic operator we have addition, and we all know what it means. Just basically 5 plus 3 can give us 8. Okay, so let's just say console.log 5 plus 3, we are expecting 8 as soon as we save this, and I'll click on this button here, and I'm gonna have 8. Okay, that's for addition operator. And what about subtraction? I'll just go ahead and add minus here, and it's gonna give me 5 minus 3, which is basically 2. Okay, and which is 2 here. Okay, and the next one we have here is gonna be multiplication, just the same thing we have in normal mathematics. Okay, I will go ahead and save this, and I will have 15 here. Okay, as you can see, I have 15 here. And the next one we have right now is gonna be raised to power. Okay, raised to power. Assuming you want to do more like raised to power, 5 raised to power 3. How you gonna do it in JavaScript? How you can go about it is basically add double asterisk. Okay, this double asterisk is known as exponential in JavaScript. Okay, it's not exponential. So when you do this thing, it's gonna be 5 times 5 and then times 5. Okay, so if I clear this my console here, we're gonna have 25 times 5. That's basically 125 here. Okay, that's it. 5 times 5 gives us 25, and then 25 times 5 gives us 125. Okay, that's actually what we have here. All right, so what about division? What about division? Let me see. We have 10 divided by 2. Okay, 10 divided by 2, basically we know this is gonna give us 5, right? So if I just clear this console here, I'll just go ahead and clear this so that it will disturb us, and I'll just go ahead and save this here. It's gonna give us 5. Okay, now what about when I do 11 divided by 5? Okay, let me save this and do 11 divided by 5. What is it gonna give us? Okay, it's giving us 5.5. As you can all see that it was correctly. Okay, just like your normal division. But now we are gonna look at something known as modulus. Okay, the remainder of a division. Okay, when you do 11 over 2, it gives us 5.5. Now when you do 11 modulo, okay, module, just like a percentage sign, and same, it is going to give us the remainder of this and not the actual value of it. Okay, so what do I mean? I'm just gonna clear this console so we can see from scratch, and go ahead and click on this place, and it gives us 1. Okay, so what it does here is that it just tries to check out the remainder of what we have in this operation. Okay, so when we do 11 divided by 2, we are meant to have 5.5. Okay, so that basically 5 remainder 1. All right, 5 remainder 1. So it goes ahead, because we are making use of modulo, it goes ahead to say the remainder of this is 1, and it gives us that particular 1. Okay, that's it for this particular arithmetic operator, and of this arithmetic operator in JavaScript. Okay, we are gonna see another thing about JavaScript in the next video. Thank you.